as high as we can go in here is 2. Yeah, I guess that lantern is just
It'll burn itself out.
We'll see if the other one works, because this one got busy and people took it down.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's working. Control it now, please.
yeah, so this is the other tab here.
Yeah, and there's your certificate there, which, I mean, a good Pennsylvania trick is the permit number tells you the year.
Oh.
The bottom left corner, so this is from 93.
Huh.
And let's see if we can reverse this. At least get somewhat of an upgrade. It wasn't UNIQLO to begin with, of course. I forget what it was. My recollection, this was a mini department store of sorts.
Yeah, one, yeah, one works.
Yeah. It was like a mini department store of sorts. Something along the lines of Brooks Brothers. It wasn't a Brooks Brothers. So I know where the Brooks Brothers was. But I don't know. But just leave a comment and drive up Jacob's engagement. If you would know
These
what
are,
this
yeah,
is.
not quite what I was expecting out of 90s Montgomery.
Yeah.
Actually kind of interesting. All right, I guess that's it.